Dear children, today I am going to teach civics lesson first, page number 191, laws and descent. Laws and descent. Mostly laws are good because they have been framed for the welfare of the people, but there are bad laws as well. People oppose all such bad law, so there is always spirit of dissent underlying of bad law among the spirit of acceptance in case of good law. During the British rule, numerous unjust laws were passed by government. For example, the Vernacular Press Act 1978 tried to put restriction on vernacular newspaper. In 1905, the partition of Bengal was affected. In 1930, the unjust salt law was passed. Gandhiji launched the Satyagraha against it. Through Dandi March, he violated the salt law. At this call, people began to defy laws and order of the government. There were strikes and demonstrations all over the country. The people boycotted the foreign goods and refused to pay tax. Soon this movement gained strength. The government followed a repressive policy to put it down. But these repressive measures failed to crush the spirit of India. In fact, dissent is an indispensable part of democracy. People have the right to have independent option, which they express through their representative. That is why there exist many options. Many opposition parties in every democratic country. Dissent is right of every democratic party. Another example of dissent is the anti-liquor agitation. Many a time the government tried to pass certain laws which are not good for ethical point of view. Liquor law is one of them. The government justified its policy on ground that such a policy would reduce the distilling of illegal liquor, which caused many deaths at time. But the opposition parties vehemently oppose such action. They also take out procession, hold meeting, and even resort to satyagraha to condemn the government. Thus, dissent is an important feature of democracy. Rule of law and democracy. By now, we know that our constitution provides the framework for administering the country. A law which is against the fundamental rights of the people can be declared null and void by the Supreme Court. Thus, the rule of law will always prevail. The rule of law implies that no one is above the law. This not only regulates the power of the government but also stresses that everyone is equal before law. Thus, we can say that democracy and rule of law complement each other. Now recap. The all modern states have their own constitution and the system of government. A constitution is body of law and rules according to which country is governed. The constitution is very important in a democracy. All civilized society and need laws that regulate their lives. The Constitution of India is a legal document. The preamble of the Constitution lays down basic principles for formulating and implementing national policies and enlist certain goals and objectives. Justice, liberty, equality, fraternity are the ideals of our country. India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. Mostly laws are good because they aim at the welfare of the people. Bad laws should be opposed by the people. During the British rule, several bad laws were opposed by the people. Even Gandhiji broke the Salt Law. Similarly, the anti-liquor agitation was made to express dissent against the law. Thanks. Next.